I'm sure there are a lot of mothers, just like your mother, who have to deal with stubborn sons. What advice would you give the mothers?
Oh, me advice mama me like I'm an tree. Well, like a bit here tomorrow, you come a feel by I'll beat you like ye chuno kunoko way.
Okay.
Ye chuno kunoko. Me banyo me 1,000 times, my feel 1,000 times. Skemiari. That time no kemari. Me call kemiri, make okay. Even call kemo we put in akashi ufu. Obile. Mbesha akashike afipo like only a feeling man bafu way. Because in one time, no mention la pam. Ni date lady ko chole dozia. Ni nkelebe like wapa ni no conclude ne ke here e can know everyone. The lady I need help so he try me. Uncle in jenu chuma ba ni meet le. A guy ba gidi e mamonya chole like in we say no kono machine. The reason why I need food daji me kai mami. Keshin abete ko so small na kai. O e mamonya chola wataleni we chela talefen ke ke mami nue ba ke abet e kun lo e. Ke do machine agbe mi when man ba ke mo also have to defend myself. So start ake one feel gidi go no. Yeah. Oh, fina kan ni e not more 2020 guy meet me no men build up like in bashin.
Yeah, okay.
No men build up nimba mi kra na me twi fan edumotic mama attack like attack like she that den go ano. Oni na len fuira. She twi fan. Yeah. Oh mami me just cock up level na twi kono clear je gidi. Kafi ne ke ma fi magwa no e chu no kono na twi no clear chele tashi like basane. Blow. Chiko gwa le chu no kono.
Okay. Okay.